Good morning. We have today with us Angela Freyman from Freyman CPA. Angela is an IRS enrolled agent at Freyman CPA who specializes in multi-state taxation and foreign taxation. Today, Angela is going to briefly talk to you about a question that we keep getting is, will I be subject to New York State tax if I am a newly resided tax resident in Florida and I still work for my employer back in New York State? Or if I am a Florida resident, always have been a Florida resident, and just landed a job in New York State, but I never set foot in New York State, will I be subject to taxation in that state? Angela, please take it away for us.
Thank you, Greg, and happy Monday. That is actually an excellent question you're raising. We do get a lot of people asking us specifically that situation. They're recently moved out from New York, they moved to other states such as Florida, and their employer allowed them to keep working. They can work remotely from home, and they want to know, do I owe New York State taxes? And the question to this situation would be yes, you will still owe tax to New York State because the employer is still in New York. They're the ones who are getting the benefit of your work, and you're working out of a different state, not for the benefit of the employer. You're doing this for personal reasons, and that's kind of the main distinction here. So as long as that's the case, you would owe New York State taxes. Now, if the situation was different and you were working for a New York employer, but you've never set foot in New York and you're doing it for the benefit of the employer, so they needed somebody in another state, and that's why they reached out to you and they asked you to be their representative in Florida, for example, then there would be no New York State taxation. Now, of course, you should always consult with your tax advisor before making any types of decisions, and you should not use this as a formal tax guidance, but there you go. That's what we have for you today.
Excellent summary, Angela. Thank you again. Angela is our top talent that specializes in taxation here at Freyman CPA. We wish you well, stay informed, and we'll be in touch shortly with more great info. Thank you.